Welcome to Health Bites. Ever feel like you're doing everything right, but your metabolism is stuck in dial-up mode?
It's because your morning routine is effectively pouring sugar, literally and figuratively, into your gas tank.
Most of us start the day by welcoming the entire world's drama into our bed via this glowing rectangle. That blue light at 6 a.m. tells your brain the sun is exploding. It's biological chaos.
We're talking about a dopamine-cortisol loop that ruins your focus before you've even brushed your teeth. When cortisol spikes too early due to stress, it triggers gluconeogenesis. That's science for your body making its own sugar. The liver dumps glucose into your blood to help you fight the lion, but the lion is just a work email from Gary. High cortisol leads to insulin resistance. Your cells are now ghosting your hormones. Not a good look. This creates a metabolic lag that lasts for the next 12 hours. You're basically running on a low battery. Enter habit number 2, the liquid stimulant scrutiny, or as I call it, the false awakening. Caffeine on an empty stomach causes a massive spike in epinephrine. Your heart thinks you're running a marathon. Meanwhile, the acidity is melting your stomach lining's patience. It's the digestive equivalent of a heavy metal concert.
You get the jitters because your blood sugar is crashing to compensate for the adrenaline. You're a mess, Brenda. The fix? Hydrate first. You've been breathing out moisture for 8 hours. You're essentially a human raisin. Water with a pinch of sea salt restores electrolytes. It's like giving your mitochondria a spa day.
Then, eat protein. Amino acids are the building blocks of everything, including your will to live.
See? Science is delicious, unlike that cardboard fiber bar you've been choking down.
Habit 3, the healthy breakfast trap. If it comes in a box and claims to be heart healthy, run.
Processed grains turn into glucose faster than you can say type 2 diabetes. It's a metabolic roller coaster. The pancreas is working overtime, screaming, "I can't give you any more insulin, Captain! She's gonna blow!" Excess sugar is whisked away to the adipose tissue. Congratulations, you just stored your breakfast as a permanent souvenir. Complex fibers slow the burn. Simple sugars are a forest fire. Choose the slow burn every time. The real hack? Get some morning sunlight. It resets your circadian rhythm better than any pill. Sunlight hits the retina, tells the brain to stop making melatonin, and starts the metabolic engine. Plus, I look cool. They prefer high-quality fats and clean proteins to produce ATP, the currency of energy. More ATP means more energy for your brain to solve problems, like why you're still dating that guy. Cold exposure, like a quick cold shower, activates brown adipose tissue. This stuff actually burns white fat for heat. It's like turning up the thermostat in your house by burning the trash. Efficient and satisfying. Movement is the final key. Just 60 seconds of movement wakes up the GLUT4 receptors in your muscles. See? Even that counts. It pulls sugar out of the blood and into the muscle where it belongs. No insulin required. It's like a secret backdoor for energy. Your muscles are basically heisting the glucose.
Chronic high blood sugar damages your DNA through glycation. Think of it as browning your insides like a piece of toast.
You don't want to be crispy on the inside. You want to be flexible and metabolic fluid. Waiting just 2 hours after waking to eat can trigger autophagy, the cellular cleaning crew. They eat the old junk proteins so you can build new, shiny ones. It's like a buy one, get one free for your health. Let's recap. Put the phone down, drink some salty water, and eat a real breakfast. Your metabolism isn't broken, it's just neglected. Consistency is the only superfood that actually works. Stop looking for shortcuts in the supplement aisle.
If you found this useful, share it with that one friend who lives on iced coffee and anxiety. You know the one. Subscribe for more science-backed sanity. Stay bite-sized, people. Or stay healthy. You get it. Bye.